Hi there, I'm Beth, and I've got a special little unboxing to share with you today. Once a year, since 2002, a special Anniversary Blythe Doll is released. They often include multiple outfits and accessories, and are highly sought after. Until now, I didn't have any Anniversary Blythes, but it wasn't necessarily her stock that most interested me. This Anniversary doll has a translucent skin tone. There have been other dolls with this special skin. Juno Estella, last year's Anniversary doll, and Hello Again Junie Moon from 2021 were recent releases. I was really pleasantly surprised to find this cute little shopping bag included in the box. It's made from waterproof type material and has a lovely photo of Aurella on one side. It even has a little side pocket. That's such a practical and unexpected extra. I don't know if any other Anniversary dolls include these. Does anyone know? I found another extra in the box too, but I was expecting this one. People who ordered her through Junie Moon got a special little papercraft box included. Here's a look at what the papercraft becomes. I showed this to my patrons a while back. I think it's so cute to have a miniature version of the doll you've collected. Although, I do still prefer the fully 3D ones that I showed in my Christmas room diorama video. Okay, on to opening the big box. I'm excited to see this translucent face in real life. They always look so dreamy in photos I've seen. Oh, there she is! Aurella Amphitrite. I can immediately see the difference in her face. She's so pretty, and her box is amazing. It's bigger than the usual Blythe boxes and is so extra. You can see here that she has an underwater and jellyfish theme. Her box is decorated in coral, seaweed, pearls and starfish. The sides and back have jellyfish on them. We can see her main colours are this aqua blue and pale lilac. Those blue eyes are so striking. Okay, let's zip through the actual unboxing. There's always so much tape to cut through. She's very safely packaged though. Here she is, free from the box, and even though her stock is very light coloured, she's safely wrapped in plastic under the clothes to prevent any staining. Here she is again, all unwrapped, and her hair brushed out too. I didn't feel that her hair needed washing. Her pull cord charm is a lovely shimmery pearl. Her eyes are a special blue-green, special dark grey, special light purple, and special light brown. Then there's the blue-green again. I'm tempted to change out some of my stock doll's pink eyes, but all the eyes on Aurella are keepers for me. She has beautiful soft pink blushing, and I realised that her body is really translucent too. It's not the same opaque plastic as a regular Blythe. Let's look at her stock now. To begin with, she has some very fancy underwear. Very pretty lace with elastic waist and a tiny bow. She has a purple petticoat made from a stiff net fabric, elasticated at the waist. Her underdress has these very, very delicate straps made from clear plastic. Be careful not to snap them. The simple bodice is nicely finished, and the extravagant skirt is made up of 3 layers: the pink and blue outer layer, light purple, then a darker purple underneath. The fabric is so soft and it drapes very nicely. Her overdress is aqua blue organdy. It has a wonderful water ripple pattern all over. It closes in the back with Velcro and has an open split skirt in the front. The wide collar and sleeves are ruffled, with pearls at the sleeves too. The bubbled hem is trimmed with pearls and lace. The waist is tied with a soft purple bow, which is folded and layered in the back. She has very fine, light stockings, tricky to slide up her rubbery bend and click legs. Here she has on the underdress, so elegant. And I forgot to mention she has a delicate pink manicure too. Her petticoat and overdress complete the layers. Aurella comes with some really lovely accessories. This long organza shawl, which could be styled many different ways. Her hairband, elasticated in the back, is crisscrossed in white cord. Here are her stockings, very delicate. This beautiful umbrella is the highlight of her accessories for me. It's held closed with Velcro, but can open out fully. It has a ruffled trim, and the top centre is patterned like a jellyfish. The ribbon closure has a little bow and a pink jewel. The plastic is pearlescent as well. It makes such a lovely prop overall. Her earrings are described as translucent aurora borealis beads. They have a simple silver-coloured fastening. Her doll stand is also pearlescent white. Here we see her tiny choker, made from ruffled aqua fabric and decorated with tiny pearls and a rhinestone in the front. Her shoes are super cute, rounded toe platforms with a single strap at the ankle, silver buckles and pearly white soles. They're marked with an L and an R too. Here she is with her headband, choker and umbrella. Let me just take a moment to say thank you to my patrons and welcome our newest supporter, Missy R. I'm so happy to have you join us. Please watch to the end for some final detail shots of Aurella. It's just been so stormy and rainy here in Scotland this week. I'm hoping to get some nice photos of her outside. Fingers crossed. What do you think of this Anniversary Blythe release? And what do you think of the translucent skin? I'd love to know what you think of her in the comments below, and please hit like on the video if you enjoyed it too. Thank you all so much for watching, and take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye!